In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cumulative Volume Index indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator showing up on your charts so you can start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart screen, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the top toolbar above your candles. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can find pretty much anything you might want to add to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see different sections and categories. To keep things organized, TradingView groups many tools under the Technicals area. Find the section labeled Technicals and click on that. This helps narrow down the list so you aren't scrolling through a bunch of unrelated tools. Once you're inside the Technicals section, look for the search bar near the top of the window. Click into the search field to activate it. Using the search bar is the fastest way to get to the exact indicator you want, especially when you already know its name. Now type in Cumulative Volume Index. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. When you see Cumulative Volume Index appear in the list of results, click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your chart. You'll usually see it appear in a separate panel below your main price chart, showing the cumulative volume data over time. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart to adjust settings, change the style, or remove it if you want to try something different. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to the full set of tools and a smoother experience, make sure to check out the link in my description. You can use that link to sign up quickly and get started with the same type of setup I'm using here. That's all you need to do. Click on Indicators, go to the Technicals section, use the search bar and select Cumulative Volume Index. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and takes just a few seconds.